locally known in the Philippines as Bulalo or bone marrow soup. Perfect for rainy days or hangover cures. Let's keep it simple. All we'll need is some beef shanks with the bone marrow, Chinese cabbage or napa, potato, onion, beef broth cubes, salt and pepper. First off, we're going to wash and peel our potatoes and vegetables. For the onions and potatoes, just cut them into quarters and chop the garlic. We'll need a pot or a pressure cooker. In this case, I'm using a pressure cooker just to cut the cooking time in half. Pretty easy, just put in your onions and your beef shanks. Some garlic and the beef broth cube. Now put your pot onto the stove. Of course, you're going to add in your water. Just make sure everything's submerged. Add in a little bit of salt and some pepper. Close the lid and turn the stove on. Now, since I'm using a pressure cooker, about 30 minutes, the beef should be done. If you're going to use an ordinary pot, you're going to have to cook it for 45 to 50 minutes. Release the pressure, take the lid off. Add in your potatoes, turn the heat back on, bring it back to a boil. Give it about 7 to 8 minutes for the potato to cook. This is the part where I taste and adjust. Some more pepper. Now I gotta apologize. I forgot to turn on the camera when I put in the cabbage. But you basically just chuck them all in. The cabbage doesn't take long to cook, just give it a couple minutes and it's done. Now it's ready to serve, just transfer it over to a serving bowl. Look at that beef falling off the bone. Enjoy. As usual, like, comment, and subscribe.